Hello, this is Marcus from Profile Tree, and in this video, we'll have a look at managing the plugins on your WordPress site. To find your plugins, navigate to the menu item on the left toolbar within the WordPress admin. From here, we'll be able to see all of the plugins installed on our site, arranged by name, with a description for each, with relevant links to more details and info about the author who created the plugin. Hovering over each of the plugins, we'll see quick links to their settings if applicable, and also have the ability to deactivate them. Once a plugin is deactivated, you will then see it turn to white as opposed to the blue background for the rest of the activated plugins. It can then be activated again by clicking as instructed. To make bulk amends, we can click on the checkboxes next to each, click on the bulk actions dropdown just above, and then click any of the following: activate, deactivate, update, delete, and also whether to enable or disable auto updates for any of these plugins. We will typically disable auto updates for plugins by default, but they can be enabled here if needed or if instructed. This will auto update any plugins as new versions are released. Using the tabs above, we can filter these plugins further. You can also use the search box in the top right to search for anything in more detail.